Hello children, welcome to my channel Brighthead Kids. If you are watching this video for the first time, then subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button for more videos. Today's video is about a beach. And the first point is, it is a Sunday evening and many people have come to the beach. The sand is soft and few shells can be seen. Tiny crabs are running into holes in the sand. The tide is in and the waves are coming higher on the sand. Many people are swimming to relieve the summer heat. Children are enjoying themselves splashing seawater. Some people are walking their dogs on the beach. A group of girls are building sandcastles and digging wells. The colors of the setting sun are reflected in the water. People are buying refreshments from the many stalls that are set up on the beach. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, then subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much.